Hi there, Shrutesh is here and welcome to this new video. This new video we will talk about the custom audiences. What is the custom audiences and how we can able to use it in our Facebook ads. So let's take an example. If you have a business related to any product or service, so you have lot of audiences means they are visiting to your website, they are visiting to your store, they are viewing your landing page. Maybe you have a e-commerce website, so they are adding their products in a cart, they are purchasing from your website, they are seeing your blogs, they are seeing your videos. So there is a lot of audiences available according to your business and you are consistently promoting your business. Okay, so what is happening here? These audiences coming to your website, okay, and they may be your purchaser, means they are purchasing your product or they are adding a product to the cart, okay, or they are
Page like us, maybe.
okay, means something that you have an 10,000 of page likes, Facebook page likes. So you can able to create audiences based on these your existing audiences. They are visiting your websites or your pages and not giving you a particular value, means not buying a product. So to retarget them, you can able to create a custom audiences. There is a two main use case of custom audiences. Very first is remarketing. You have a product or services, you can able to remarket these audiences by creating a remarketing ad, by creating a custom audience. Okay, and if you have a custom audience, so you can able to create a lookalike audience. So what is lookalike audience? Lookalike audience is the audience where it is similar to your custom audiences. Means if you have something audiences and they are visiting your website and now you want this type of audiences, Facebook can search automatically for you. This is an lookalike audience. So we go to the Facebook Ads Manager and see where we can able to create the custom audiences. Go to the Ads Manager, click here, and here we will see there is a custom audiences. So here is an audience section. You can also find here the audience section and we will going to click here. So in this dashboard, we will see here all the saved audiences. We have already saved audiences for our different type of campaigns, but we want to find out here the custom audiences. So if you want to find the custom audiences, so you want to go to the create audiences. I'm going to click here and we will see here the three type of audiences. Here is an save audiences. Saved audiences means this is our saved audiences. It is here saved audiences, right? And then we will have a lookalike audiences. We will see how it works in next video. Now we want to focus on the custom audience. Okay, so we will see how custom audience work. So I'm going to click here. So here is an option create an custom audience. So use your sources and use Facebook sources. There is a two types, means if you have an your source, so you can create an custom audience using your source, and there is second type using Facebook source, means someone visiting to your website. So it is not happening in the Facebook, it is happening outside of Facebook, so it is your source. So if something happening within the Facebook using Facebook resources, so you can able to target that also. Okay, so we will see here very first source. So it is your website. If we are tracking these website visitors, you can able to create the custom audiences. Means if you are set up pixels there for the cart abandoned or maybe the visitors or landing page views. Okay, there is a lot of options available. So using these audiences, you can able to retarget them. You can able to create a custom audiences using them. Okay, or otherwise you can use the customer leads. So you can able to create the custom audiences by using the customer leads. Your own customer leads means, think if you have an various customers, offline customers, and you are maintaining their database, their mobile numbers or maybe their email IDs. So if you can feed this data in the Facebook customer list, you can able to create the custom audiences using the customer list by using your own data, right? So this is the customer list. Now you can also able to create and custom audiences using app activity. Create an audience of people who have launched your app or game or taken a specific action by using it, such as purchasing an item. So if you have an app related to your business, so you can able to create the custom audiences of their users. Okay. Then otherwise you can use the offline activity also. In the next one, you can able to create audiences based on offline activity. Create an audience of people who have interact with your business. Okay, means someone came to your physical store, in store, over the phone, or other offline channel. Means you have a database of that users, maybe it is related to email address, phone number, or other type of data. So you can able to use them in an offline activity. Okay. Then there is a use of Facebook sources. So video, you are posting a video in your Facebook page, means create an audience of people who watched one of your video on Facebook or Instagram. If he is watched for some certain amount of time your video, so you can able to retarget them, you can able to create the custom audiences by using these video viewers. Okay. Then after Instagram business profile, if you have an Instagram business profile and people are interacting with your Instagram business profile, so you can able to reach out them, you can able to create the custom audiences based on Instagram business profile visitors. Okay. Then lead form. If you are generating a lead from your Facebook ads, okay, and people are giving you a lead, so you can able to create a custom audiences based on that. Create an audience of people who opened or completed a form in one of your lead generation ads on Facebook or Instagram. Okay, so if you are using a lead generation form, so you can able to create the custom audiences based on that. If you are using an event, so you have published an ad related to event, the people are seeing your event, okay, and they are responding there, okay. So you can able to create the audiences based on these events. Create an audience of people who have interact with one of your events on Facebook, okay. Then you can also able to create the custom audiences based on instant experience ad. So what is instant experience ad? Instant experience ad is an one type of ad where you can able to create a landing page within your Facebook ads. So we will see next how instant experience ads can be run within the Facebook ads. So you can able to create the custom audiences using instant experience also. And you can also create the audience of people who follow, have interact with your pages. Means someone looking for your videos, they are reacting on your videos, they are commenting on your post, or they might be your page followers. So you can able to create the audiences based on these also. So these are the resources you can able to use to create the custom audiences. So this is up to it. Creating and custom audiences is very important if you are doing a business in digital platform. So we will see exactly how you can able to create a custom audiences. So stay tuned until then. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.